Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jo Mantua, and for today I'm so excited because we are going to do another unboxing video featuring August 2002 jewelry orders. Allahas, Allahas, Allahas! I've got the parcel over here. I am going to open it with you guys. So, I've got one. Mga guwapas sa mga boxes ni Madam. Two. Okay, let's do it again. Counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 boxes. Now let's open the big, ato sa ni unahon ang mga big boxes, okay? Ta-da! Let me see what's inside. So, I've got a crucifix ring. This one is size 6. And, yun, ani siya pag-isulot. So pretty. Maka-remember ko na ko uni-silver nga ingon ani nga version. Pag trabaho na ako sa Cebu, and I really feel nga it protected me, kaya I had it blessed also sa church. So that's a crucifix ring. Next one is a love heart pendant. So ingon ani siya, so pretty. Atong i-sukod unya. Okay. Love heart nga pendant. This one is 1.4 grams. Ang kadto di siyang singsing ganina, it's 1.5 grams. So, mga lightweight lang siya. Now, this one right here is a fendi-inspired bangle, and it is 4.4 grams. 4.4 grams. Halak ka pretty. Oh my goodness. So, ingon ana siya og dagway. Sa iyang sides, kay na siya Fendi nga print. Hala, di ko kung win-worn siya ba yut. Ingon ani siya one-worn. Oh, social. Pak. So pretty. 4.4 bayot. 4.4 ang iyang kuan, clasp na sa kilid. Ana. So 4.4 grams. So pretty. Next one, next box. Next big box. Ta-da! So we have a dainty nga necklace. Ngon ani siya og dagway. Ilang na ko i-wear. This one is a fendi-inspired necklace, and it is 0.65 grams altogether. So, dainty good siya mga madam. So, you have to be very careful sa ingon ana siya. Pero nindot iyang necklace kay I think masa man ni siya nga necklace. Ingon ana siya. Cute, sad. 0.65 grams altogether. Next one is a ring with 2.3 grams. It's a ring. Russian stone siya. Ingon ana. Guwapa kaayo. Next one is the same as the bangle that I showed you earlier. It's a Fendi bangle. So, ingon ana siya. 4.44 grams. So, the next big box. Oh, wow. These are... Where are we? The next one is 4.13 grams, and it's a pair of loop earrings, and they look like this. Dagko kayo siya. They're like that big. Russian eyeglasses, no? Char lang. Joke lang, good. Ano? Dagko kayo. Okay, and they are 4.13 grams. Nindot kayo ni siya kung magrampa-rampa, no? Sa Perth City. Right. Next one is katong mga purple boxes. Purple and pink boxes na to. First one is a cute, dainty earrings with Russian stone. It is 51.51 grams. Cute kaayo. 0.51 grams. Next one are love heart earrings. 0.82 grams of love heart earrings. So, they look like this. They look like that. I think this is good for mga teenagers or also mga baby girls. So cute. Next one is, I don't know how to call this type of earrings, pero ingon ana siya. I don't know what these ones are called. Half loop earrings. Ingon ana iya. And this one is for, this is just 1 gram box. Next box is, these ones are so uso. Nani siya sa Madam Digger. And this one is a size 6. 1.85 grams nga rings. And they look like that. Oh my God, ka-pretty. Look. Oh, so nice. That one is 1.85 grams. Okay? Next one is Ivana. I've got 3 Ivana necklaces. So, ako ni siyang isukot. The Ivana necklaces are 1.5 grams each. So, it's a center. Oh my gosh, wait. These are centered necklaces. And ingon ani iyang dagway. So, they are in a box chain. So, ligon. And na siya 2 stationary balls. Yeah, so inig. So, if magluhag, dili kaayo mo ato sa likod ang Ivana necklace. And it's a box chain. So, di lang siya mo focus, no? Pero it's a box chain. Yep. 1.5 grams. Oh, so pretty. Next one is ta-da! The next one is another Fendi-inspired jewelry, and it looks like this. And it's a size 7. So, na siya stone. And it is 1.11 grams. So, it looks like that. Oh, gwapa kaayo. And, ang sunod is another loop earring. But this one is 1.8 grams. And dili siya kaayo dako. Gwapa gihapon. Aww. Pero walang yung ko'y angay, no? Aning mga loop earrings nga dagko kay medyo ko'y angay ambot nga, no? Alagi apots. So, ingon anak siya. Kadaka. Look. So pretty. 1.8 grams. Loop earrings. Next one is ta-da! Oh no, sorry. Ta-da! This one is 2.2 grams of, I think this one, it looks like a nut ring, pero tricol, two-tone. So, ingon ana siya. Dako lang siya for me. Because I think this one is a size 7, so pasi masigo siya dire. But so pretty. 2.2 grams. The next item, wedding rings. And, ingon ani siya og agway. And, gipa-engrave sad ni siya. There is an extra charge for the engrave, but dili kayo siya mahal. So, guwapa kaayo. And all together, they are 7.1 grams. The next box, I've got 2 more boxes left. 2 more boxes left, friends. Ta-da! I've got 2 pairs of ball rings. Pero kani siya katuni siyang murag like glittery nga type. So 2 of them, and all together they are 1.5 grams. Next one is a love heart loop earring nga pang adults. And so pretty. So ingon ana siya og dagway. And that's 2.1 grams. Nice kaayo. Nice kay daghan kayo kog orders karon nga love heart ang theme. So happy. Next is the last box, and it's got the other ring, blue og stone. It is 2 grams. And nice kaayo sad siya. Ingon ana siya og dagway. Maybe move it here. Lako siya for me, but so pretty. So it's like that. 2 grams. Indot ang iyang edges sa ring kay mura siya og nut. And the last one is an X ring, which was featured by Madame Digger, and it is only 1.32 grams. So pretty siya kay pwede ra siya og siya ra usa. So ingon ana. So fashionista. I like it. Okay? So ana din na nakuhubuon kay I'm gonna wear it. It's 1.32 grams. My August sales is not too bad. Pero mas ganahan ako if daghan pa kog orders kay ang shipping fee going to Australia is getting higher. So mas makabawi ka sa imuhang shipping fee if daghan ka og orders. But let's try again for September. I'm crossing my fingers to get more sales. Allahas. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. My name is Jo Mantua, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye. Have a great day, friends.